The launch of the quantitative tightening program by the Fed led to a slump in both the euro and the pound sterling. There is no wonder since the direction of financial flows has changed. Until yesterday, the Federal Reserve was pumping up the economy with the money, and now it's shrinking its balance sheet. However, market participants have time to prepare for such changes. That's why yesterday's rise in the US dollar looks strange and illogical. At the beginning of the trading day, the market was regaining its balance, thus allowing the euro and the pound sterling to gain in value. However, the increase in both currencies stopped just after the publication of the Eurozone PPI data. Thus, the growth in producer prices accelerated to 37.2% from 36.9%. Although the indicator advanced less than expected, inflationary pressure continues rising. It means that inflation in Europe is likely to go on growing. Notably, it has already reached its record high. However, at the beginning of the US trade, the greenback may resume losing value amid the employment report. The number of employed people may add 205,000 compared to a rise of 214,000 months earlier. In other words, the US labor market is losing momentum and its indicators may become worse in the near future. What do we see on the trading charts? A decline in the euro-dollar pair accelerated and the euro dropped to 1.0636. It means that the correctional movement may end soon, thus allowing the greenback to recap losses. To prove the sell signal, the euro should settle below 1.0636 at least on the 4-hour chart. In this case, the pair will have a chance to slide to 1.0570 and 1.0500. Until then, traders who enter the market amid a rebound or stagnation will consider the reading of 1.0636 a support level. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair changed its trend after short stagnation at the peak of the recent correction. This could be proved by several factors, including a downward break of a short-lived channel and a price settlement below 1.2500. During the correctional process, the British pound advanced by 500 pips, that is 4% without violating the structure of the downtrend. If the price settles below 1.2500, the pair may slide to 1.2350, and this auction will point to the US dollar recovery after the recent drop. In the short term, the pair may rebound amid the overheating of the short positions. You have watched Forex Trader News. You have watched financial market news on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.